welcome back to Isabel's Quick Recipes. Look what I have here. This is the pink donut crumble cookie, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it today. Can you tell which one is Crumble's and which one is mine? Stay tuned till the end and we'll do a little taste comparison. Now let's get started. Mixer a cup of sugar and 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. The powdered sugar is gonna make these cookies just melt in your mouth right when you take that first bite. And with the butter and oil that these cookies have, they are just gonna be crispy and so tender, just like a real donut. Once it's creamed together, you can finish off with the remaining wet ingredients. This is 2 eggs, and some vanilla extract and butter extract. A lot of the crumble cookies use butter extract because it really gives it that extra rich, buttery taste. You're gonna add a teaspoon of each. Be sure to scrape the sides of the bowl just so everything gets well incorporated, and that way it'll be able to fluff up nice and light and airy. Now I'm adding 4 2/3 cups of flour. This is just all-purpose flour, with a teaspoon of salt and baking powder. Now once our dough is all mixed together, I'm gonna take a 1/2 cup scoop. We want big cookies because we all know Crumble is just like has the most ginormous cookies ever. And you're gonna put it down on a baking sheet. And as you can see, it has like a big hump. So you're gonna take your hand and just press it down and make it into a nice, cute little donut circle. You're gonna bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 25 to 30 minutes. And notice these are not too thin. Make sure you don't pound them out too thin because that way they won't be too crispy. Okay guys, once the cookies are baking, you could go ahead and start your icing, which is very easy. You're just gonna need 2 cups of that powdered sugar, and you're gonna mix it with just a tiny bit of milk. You wanna make sure that the icing consistency is nice and thick. This cookie would be so pretty for Christmas. Like if you were to dye it green and make it like a wreath, like a Christmas wreath with all the little sprinkles, that would be so cute. I think I'm probably gonna end up doing that this holiday season. Now for a drop of pink food coloring. So pretty. All right. 25 minutes is up and the cookies are ready. Now I could tell they're ready because if you see the bottom, they're nice and golden brown. That's an important part. If they puffed up too much, you can go ahead and take your spatula and kind of just like press them down a little. This is a little frosting tip. I'm just gonna put it right in the middle. You know what? This bowl, it looks like it needs to be bigger. Look at that. This is to my garlic presser. I'm gonna use this. Yeah, that's better. Make sure you put the sprinkles while the frosting is still wet. It dries really quickly. All right guys, now for the best part, taste test time. I had to warm up Crumbles because my brother said that if you warm it up, it tastes identical to a Krispy Kreme donut. So we'll see. And it got so soft. Warming it up really did make it softer. This is what Crumbles looks like. Let's give it a try. It's so chewy. You could tell there's cornstarch in here because it is just like super chewy. It's actually a little doughy. I don't know why that always happens. Look at the doughiness. Can you see that? Like the doughiness? I don't know why that happens. Crumble cookies are always a little bit doughy. I hate that. I really felt that block of dough going down. Sometimes it makes me wonder why the cookies are so popular. This one's mine. Oh yes. You can tell the inside is nice and cooked. So let's give mine a try. Way better texture. Mine has a lot of different flavor profiles. Like you get the caramelized brown bottom and the really flakiness of the inside. Like it crumbles in your mouth, but it's soft still and crispy at the same time. But the crumbles was a little just more plain. But if I were to make this cookie again, I will definitely be dyeing it green and making this like a Christmas wreath with all the sprinkles as the ornaments. How cute will that be? If you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe because I'm gonna have cookies the whole holiday season, the full month of December. So if you're into that, be sure to stay tuned, click that notification bell. Now, last thing I wanted to say is thank you to all my subscribers. Today marks 10,000 subscribers, which I cannot even believe because when I started my channel, I never thought that this would happen. To me, it was incredible to get 1,000 subscribers and become modified. So the fact that I have 10, it's like, wow. If you needed a sign like, I want to start my YouTube channel, but I don't have very many friends or people that are gonna like me, go ahead and start it, because as long as it's something that you like doing and you're constantly gonna be feeding your channel and enjoy doing it, go ahead and start it. You could use me as a perfect example. Now, if you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe, leave your comments down below if you tried this recipe out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.